Well, good morning everybody. Let's go and crack on and get some Python out the way. It seems that I can't sleep. So if we go to the Python tracker in Google in Gentoo, we can see half. That we've got this many bugs to go through. But the plan is we just go through each one of these, see what's happening, see what we can do. So what put that here? Doesn't seem to be yeah, I'll leave that one. This one's in progress. I guess we're waiting for that to hit stable. When was that added? 10th of the 3rd. Let's go. So with this one, it's been done, but the bug's still open. I wonder if that's because it's not stable yet. Let's go check that out. The thing with these sort of patches and fixes is it's mainly a lot of triage work, looking around, seeing who's done the patching already, just hasn't wired it up, things like that. It's a lot of donkey work. This seems fine. Let's leave a comment then on this. I don't know why I'm bloody clicking on Discord. Hi YouTube. Right, so let's load this back up. Go here. Tell I probably should be asleep. Oh. What version is it? Okay. So we checked that one. Let's check this one next. That's the one we just checked, isn't it? Yeah. Fucking well done, even though. Number 4. Okay. App crypt. So we're going to need to open up a terminal for this. Sudo su. Let's go into the portage. Let's go and update my email. emerge portage. Let's put my tooth back in. Let's update the portage snapshots that I've got at the moment. Make sure everything is up to date. We'll then head into this e-build. We'll take a look at it, see what we can do. How long has this been open for now? What we probably should do is we'll go let's search for it. 125. Doesn't seem to be a newer version out. Someone's already done this one. So what we've done there is we confirmed that it's already done. So if I go to here, you're starting to see now the why it's all donkey work. People do stuff, don't close bugs down to go with it. So I go here. Yeah, we can see this one here is done. So if I go to commits, I can just go here. Okay, next one. Well, we're gonna find one that's fun. Fiber on Naomi. Okay, let's go check. So, put that there. Yeah, no one's added that. Is there tests on this? Right, we can test this one then. So, we go cd var db repos, Gentoo, app emulation, fs launcher. Right. Let's open this up. Let's rebuild the manifest, basically the checksums to make sure everything's alright, and then I can do emerge verbose ask fs okay, let's go and have a look at that. So, looking at this, everything looks good. Ugh, so I've got to add a fucking use flag. Right, add that. No. Zap that. Use that. That. Right, so let's build this. How's everyone doing today anyway? I'm hoping everyone's sleeping a bit better than I am. But this doesn't take too long to build. Nothing brightens up your morning, well, I guess my night, more than watching something compile stupidly slow, eh? You just love a little bit QT. I hate QT5. Bit of fucking bugs and shit. Can't wait till it dies. Looks alright. Was that, do I have a major in computer science or IT? No. I did IT in college. I got my basic in the UK, which is be able to build websites and do a little bit of coding and stuff like that, run some systems. But like all stupid teenagers, I thought I knew it all back then. Didn't need college, didn't need uni, so I dropped out and then had to learn the hard way of working my way up from the bottom of nothing to fucking actually being something. So I've got an apprenticeship in networking, mainly designing and installing networks. So I do have my degrees and stuff, but through apprenticeships, not through anything cool. Fixing bugs like this is just nice and relaxing while I do it. Hey Sean, how you doing, mate? I'm guessing that's Sean. That's your new name forever now, Sean. Mr. Sean. What you been doing anyway? Haven't seen you in ages. I think not since I left my phone unlocked in my pocket and sent you a DM in Discord by mistake. Feel honoured. My phone picked you out of everyone in the world to send that whatever randomness it was. Excellent. Good to hear. I was doing great until I had to compile some Qt5. Nice. It's like everyone's phone just likes you. Maybe there's a big conspiracy out there. So I am porting all the programs that are remaining in Gentoo from the Python 3.12 to 3.13. We're currently porting a program called FS Launcher. No idea what it is. It's written in Python. No one's done it yet, so we'll be the one to do it. I'll go through it step by step what we're doing to test it. We're basically doing runtime tests on this one. And yeah, if you get lost, just ask questions along the way, and I'll try to remember to check YouTube as much as Twitch. It's harder for me to check both, and unfortunately Twitch gets a bit funny when I put both up on the same time, so it's easier to do it this way. Do feel free to come over onto Twitch. But I know some of you don't like it, so I will try and keep you guys happy as well. My poor bloody world file though. I really need to clean this system up. What we could probably do though is get Python 14 tested as well at the same time. You might as well do both at the same time while we're there. Okay, so that's done. Let's go and check this out. So, let's open up a second terminal. Put that one there, that one there, that one there, and then we'll do FS UAE launcher. Okay, that looks alright. Okay, that's all fine. I don't remember how to use this program. I've used this before in the past. It looks all good to me. Oh god, look at this fucking prick that's turned up. Don't talk to him. Wow, this is fast as anything, isn't it? Alright, let's take a look at these. So what we got going on here? Okay, so probably what the... Okay, let's try and lowering this down to 12. So if I did this... And what I'll do is Python target that. See what I'm going to do in a second. Gonna do fucking tons of shit again, innit? Right. So what I'm gonna do is copy all this. Oh my good god, look at the mess. Ugh. Ugh. And then we're going to quickly rebuild all this with Python 12 support as well as 13. Then we'll rebuild it later on. That makes sense while we're doing this? So what we're going to do is we're going to check those logs against each other, see if it still works on 12 as well as it did as first 13. And if it does, then we know it's good. Then we can test 14 after that, yeah? Method to the madness, guys, yeah? So, if we do this... package.use... we'll just call this UAE. Okay, and then let's get that. Jobs... stick it on jobs 12. Should fly through now. If it does, what's this moaning about? So we've got to quickly rebuild all this shit again. It didn't take too long. Yeah, so let me just re-explain this again. You might have to ask me to re-explain stuff because of stupid thing. So we can see here we've got some we've got these things here failing around netplay stuff. So is that because we haven't set it up, or is it because there's a bug? Well, not a bug, it's not coded for Python 3.13. Easiest way to test if you don't use the program all the time, like I don't, it's to use the last known working version. If that's still got the same error, then we know it's fine because no one's been complaining about it for years. It's just a fast way to test the program in real time. What you really want is test suites. A lot of programs have the ability to test everything, and if you get 100% pass on those test results, you know that the program's going to work. Well, you're reasonably sure. So once we've done this, we can try Python 3.14. Because while we're there, why don't we do 2 for 1? You know, 3.14 is the version that came out recently. 13's a stable in Gentoo by default. I do think this is going to work though. Yeah, I think this is going to be exactly the same because it looks like it's only failing because it's got no information set about it. Ugh. We'll close that down. Ah, yeah, look. And there's where it's failing. I bet you it's failing because that server's shut down. I hope that's all it is. Aren't you glad someone does all this shit for you so you don't have to bother? Nice little disability, isn't it? I mean, I did this when I was working as well, so it's not much different. But technically me, because I do get paid to fix Gentoo bugs, so... How many times are we going to install QT5 today, guys? Eh? That's what I want to know. Billion times by the looks of things. Might as well start on the bloody coffee at this rate. Just try and fight through a whole bloody day. Oh, I wonder if I could do... Yeah, I finally remembered that my computer does Windows, so I can have both chats open at the same time. Why am I there fucking clicking through it like a fucking pleb? It's like I'm fucking 100 years old sometimes. I don't know how to use a computer. So we're porting programs which are currently using Python 3.12 to 3.13, and we'll see if we get any freebies to Python 3.14 while we're there. So I'm just going to use the last numbers because it's going to bug me. So 12 is the old stable, 13 is the new default stable in Gentoo, and that's what we're hoping to get everything working on today. We've got a bug list fucking click computer. So all the ones that aren't crossed out are the 13s that we need to get working today. We've got 13 working with the UAE launcher. All looks good. There was one issue with the IRC client. Now I'm not 100% sure what's going on with that. It looks like the server's dead to me. So I thought the best way to test this is let's go with the last known worker, 12. See if that works or doesn't work. If it does the same error, then we know it's still good because no one's ever complained about it. Once that's done, we can test 14 on it as well. See how that goes. This shit just takes forever to do, which is why they sit there for ages. Just need someone stupid enough to go through and test them, basically. I think that's it done. But me, I've got a lot of rebuilds to do. Right, let's relaunch this again. So, aha, as you can see, it's still got the same issue right there, this error here. So we now know there's nothing wrong with 13, which is excellent. So what we need to go and test now is, will 14 work? Why are we testing 14? 14's not important right now, but if I do it now, I'm already here and it's going to save time. Why come back to this in a year's time and regret not doing it? Let's just do it together, and you know what I mean? So let's remove this file I made. So I made this just to fix shit, basically. So if I do this, then this. So now I'm going to build it with the Python 3.14 target. If we get lucky, everything else will be already ported now. It is not. So we can't do Python 3.14 because it's not ready yet. We'll have to go and test Python this, and I ain't up for that today. So what we can do instead is I'll open a new terminal, which I'll have to do this way because for some reason my keyboard shortcuts do not work when you do it. I go cd git gentoo, git pull upstream, get everything up to date, excellente, and then I'll do git checkout checkout, is it checkout or is it, no, it's checkout the branch, isn't it? Then fsuae okay, so now I've made a new tree that I can start doing my edits in. So if I do nano emulation and I can do those changes that I found here. So I get rid of that, change that, 10's getting dropped, so it's not really needed anymore. So let's do this, and then we can do package check scan, and we can take it to search room. What package check is a tool that does quality assurance on the e-builds just to make sure everything's good. Does that make sense? So that if I run this, in some ways I kind of hope it spits out an error so I can show you. But it just checks like a list of known issues of e-builds, and it warns you there's issues. While we're there, we can fix it. As you can see, we've got 0 reports there, so everything's good. So all we need to do is git add to tell it to start tracking the changes I've done. Then I use package dev, which is a wrapper for Git, but it does some Gentoo stuff. It just makes my life a little easier. I can also tell it to link which bug I want. So I can highlight this bug here, stick that there, job done. I probably want to control C that. What I want to do is add the E command for edit. Okay. PY 312. hit save, type in my signing key, and all I need to do now is push this up. So push GitHub. Put my SSH key in. Look at me with all my security, eh? Tick the boxes, say that I've done everything. Excellent. So, we've knocked one out of the park. I suppose we've triaged a few others as well, haven't we? So, been successful so far. Okay, what's next? I need to close down some of these fucking windows. Where are we? Right, so let's go. And if I refresh this now, yeah, see it's got a pull request there. It's automatically linked back to the bug there. So that's why package dev's really good. It does all this stuff for me. It saves me a job to do. Like, when you're doing a lot of changes like I'm going to be doing today, that's something you want. So I think we just did this one, didn't we? Yeah. So let's go and check this one. I don't really like doing... Okay, so there's a test for this one, so I can show you how to do a test. So, first things to do, let's go and have a look, see if anyone's done it yet, yeah? So we go back here, we click that, we search. So, no one's added it yet. Let's get my working terminal up here. So we go back, we do this, we do that. Okay. It does have tests, as it does. So. Let's switch that to that. Right, then we update the checksum. And I can do an emerge verbose ask one. What the one does is a one shot, so it basically it tells Portage to emerge it, but don't record it. I'm basically saying I don't want to keep this package, I want it gone. Alright, let's do is it with test steps. So what I'm doing here is I am oh, perfect, there's no test steps. So what that package would do, what that command would do, or switch would do, was put in any tests package dependencies that are needed. But because I don't need any, I can just build a package with this as is. So it pulled in a test clip after I fucking did. Oh, it's because I wanted the last package. Nah, fuck it, I'm doing it now anyway. And let's just fucking let this run through. There's only a little package in it. So what this is going to do is run a little test suite, and it's just going to test. It's going to do an internal test, make sure everything works with Python 3.13, basically. Which is just what we want. So once you got them, you don't really need to run the program. You know everything works. And if it don't, well, upstream of dicks, because why include it? Okay, so let's pass tests. What we can do is scroll up. Where's the tests? Test phase not enabled. I've enabled fucking test though. Oh, because I wanted features test. What a dick. So I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have used use test. I should have used features test. And we got the pass. Which is excellent. So let's try getting a freebie. Can I get 14 to work? So I need to redo the manifest again. Nope, that's all good. Ooh, shit. So I'm going to need to do... Nearly didn't test it. I've got right, so features. Okay, so I'm now setting Python 14 test and the package. Let's see how that goes. So I can't do that yet because this isn't ready. But what we can do is go and send this off. Yeah, fuck, you know what I've done though, don't you? I've lost the fucking test there. Because I've been fucking copy and pasting. What a dick. Let's go and get that test later, or I fucking lose it. Right, let's stick that in there. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Right, let's make that clean. Right, let's now go and jump into my jump into the Git thing. Cool. You can tell it's R5. So we're doing new branch. Check out branch. What are we calling this program? iBus Angle. Okay. Right. Git add. So it's tracking the change. Let's do package check. Sorry. Let's see if there's any QA issues with said package. Full 4.4 issues. I'm not bothered about that. Redundant versions. Okay. So we can close this off. Package dev. So what these are basically saying is there's old packages in there, but they might be there for a reason. I'm not the maintainer of this package, so it's not for me to remove stuff like that. I don't know enough about this package. All I know is I've tested it, it's good. Let's grab that bug number. So we're not going to put the... Let me show you on this. So yeah, so all I've done there is I said it passes the test. Now when I do a git push GitHub, what would we call this? iBus. Right, now I want to go into here. This is where I'm going to put the test data, because it's not important information to be kept in the commit history, but it is important for the guy that's going to be reviewing this later on, that they can just quickly go through, double check my work very quickly and go, yep, he's tested that, he knows it works. Does this all make sense to everyone? Let's check this one. Right, so no one's done that one. Doesn't seem to be any tests though. Shit. There's no restrict on tests though. Might work. Should we give it a go? See if it does. Let's give it a go. See what we can work out, eh? Who knows? Might get lucky. So let's jump back into my testing one. IBus manifest, let's update those checksums. Let's see what happens there. And let's run through these. Hopefully we get lucky and there is a test suite in there. Not 100% sure there's going to be one, but we'll get lucky. Why can I not see it? Okay, let's see what happens. So if I do IBus... I think that's fine. So git checkout. Or maybe I could do this. That looks like it's running to me. I think it's the best we're gonna get anyway. So, git checkout. What was that called? Pinion. I'm guessing that's Chinese. Sounds a bit Chinese. Oh shit. Right, package check scan. Let's run it through that QA test. We should probably test see if that 14 will work as well, shouldn't we? I doubt it will, but again, we're here. Let's No, still not going to go through because of all of us. Probably should take a look at that later on. Right. Maybe I'll do that next. Or maybe later. Let's just get this done. Right, so. No errors were found. Let's do package dev. Commit. Sign off. Closes. Chuck the bug number in. Get that signed. Look at me there, just taking over. Right, so we're happy with that one. Let's scroll back. Was that the last one we did? Pinging? Box. Not possibly dumb, is dumb. Where is that? Okay, let's check this one out. Don't know we tested this one already. Let's give this a go. What kind of fucking test for this? I don't know. Take a look at this one. Time report. Don't look, we tried this one before. Don't know why. Just rings a bell. Okay. Yeah, I have tested this one before. Interesting. Okay. So what will happen if I do... Let's do this. Let's test it with 12, see if we get the same. So what was it, 22 warnings? Go double check. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, why can't I fucking use this mouse? I'm so glad Damien's not here. It'd fucking kill me. Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do is rebuild this for Python 12. Roger, I see. So I need to get rid of tests. This is going to spit me out a load of stuff to recompile, I can imagine. Oh my good god. What is it complaining about? Oh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild it with both Pythons. That'll stop it complaining. There we go. So as you can see, I'm now building the dependencies for both 12 and 13. That'll let this program work on just 12. Sometimes I'm smart. Okay, so there are no on that. Then I go up here. Let's end with test steps. Ooh, fuck. Ah, this is right. Okay, so that's going to update that for me. Perfect. Still like a little puzzle in it. Okay, now I can do this. And now I can test with just Python 12. Perfect, 41 pass. Exactly the same. That means I can send this one over. You'll catch that. See what we did? We proved that had the same issues. Same issues with the last upgrade as it did this time, basically. I suppose I better check just to make sure that no one's not done this. Let's go here. Everything's good. It's alarmed. So let's do git checkout master. Git checkout branch. We'll call it time W. We ain't gonna get. Should we check 14? Just do. We've done all the others, and we're gonna get one of these is gonna get a freebie. Is it gonna be this one now? Woohoo! Woo! We got a freebie. Yeah, okay, right, let's do that quick. Got a few rebuilds to do with this one, but nothing major. Are we gonna get a freebie? That's the question now. Ooh. I wonder if I should go make another coffee. Maybe on the next big one. Okay, we're getting to the bottom of this one. Okay. Right, so now if I go up here, change this to 14. Let's take a look. Excellent. Right, so we're testing that now. So 41 and 22. Excellent. So we now know that works fine as well. So that was worth testing. Let's do a scan. So time W report. Unstable only, perfect. Let's do this, not that. I'm gonna close that down, it's pissing me off now. Get that sent. Looks like I broke something. What the fuck? Okay, so was that not fucking working? I think that's alright. Oh shit. Oh. Right, let's why is that poor request not getting picked up? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's confusing, that is. Why didn't package dev pick that up? Package check, sorry. feel like we've tested this. Am I having deja vu? Fuck me. What a thing to get deja vu on. Maybe we should test that. Let's go here, 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 here. Mm-hmm. 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 Was it playing Wild Arms music? Yeah, see, I have fucking done this before. Why didn't I push this? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do I need a T-Mux? Aha. That's probably why I didn't use it. Let me try a different one. Ooh. Well, that'll be why. I'll come back to that one when I forget about it all over again, eh? Oh, so that's dumb. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, let's try... Oh. Oh, I think I understand. Okay. Okay. So, is Uniserver part of... Has anyone done Uniserver? What's that fucking place called? That does the mirrors? Zag? Gentoo overlay search. There we go. code. Where's the Dutch? Where's that fucking... Where's the bug? Can I just wipe that? Oof. I don't know what that comment is, but thanks, Slippery Cat. Why do I imagine this is going to be shit? You know what? I'm just going to nope out of that one. I don't want to do the portage ones. Hang on, that's my one. I should review that. Did I not do actual? No, apparently I didn't. Alright, let's go take a look. Hmm. Oh, I should probably check. Ugh, latex. Ugh. Ugh. Right, well, I think we've done enough today anyway, haven't we? Let's take a look. What have we done? We've done 4 or 5 of our own, closed a few bugs, looked at a few, marked someone else's down. Nothing. Hello, Danish. I'm very sorry, just come at the bad time where I'm just about to go and try and go sleep again. It is coming up to 7 o'clock. But yeah, as I was saying, we've done 5 today, reviewed a few extras on top of that, closed on a couple of extra bugs down that were outstanding, and triaged a few issues. So we've done pretty good. Yeah, I think now I'm going to go and put my head down for a little bit, try and get some sleep in me. We'll come back to this later on, after I've had my little sleepies. Get my 8 hours of beauty sleep, you know what it's like. Oh, thank you very much. You're all making me feel guilty now. But yeah, do come back on the next stream after I've got my little beauty sleep in. We'll do some more. But for now, thank you all for coming along. Do check out my videos on YouTube. Got a new one out today. Me playing about with ButterFS, how to add extra drives to a pool. But yeah, for now, I will catch you later. Keep compiling, everyone. If I can find the button to turn on.